be sure to write down this address because it's actually the address for my hotel. It's kind of funny story here, so I'll get right into it. I go to the hotel where I host the Pig event. Don't forget the Pig 2, March 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th, 2020. So I go to the hotel and I visit them once a week. Just in case I have any problems, I want to know who it is that I'm dealing with and working with, and I have a really good hotel. Well, they received this letter, and the manager had it setting aside, not knowing exactly what this was. Well, then they finally made the connection of Josh and PEZ, and, oh yeah, he does a PEZ convention here, so I actually have this letter. I have no clue what's in this letter. So let me... Alright. Very cool. So thank you. Dear Josh, thank you so much for the amazing package. I love the buttons, candy pack, and PEZ bag. I also love all your PEZBook videos. I have not watched them all. Aww. But the ones that I have watched were great. Yay. You're awesome. Keep up the great work. Thanks again. Sincerely, Roxanne. Hey, no problem, Roxanne. I appreciate your support. I appreciate everybody's support. So, in return, I say, thank you. Thank you to everybody for supporting. That is so cool. What a cool thank you card. But, yeah, thank you for supporting the Pig. Thank you for supporting the PEZBook. Thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate this very much so. Awesome. Yay, I have an addition to the background now. So until next time, thank you.